Hey guys, it's Heather. I'm back for more. So today I thought I would tint my eyebrows. I've been looking for different ways to basically dye my eyebrows, tint my eyebrows, make my eyebrows actually eyebrows again. Also, I've never had any eyebrow hair to begin with, never had a lot of hair, nor have my eyebrows ever filled in properly, so I thought I'd give this a try. About 2 weeks ago, I ordered this mascara, or sign number one, I shouldn't do this. On Amazon, I ordered the Tint My Brows Gel by Etude House. So supposedly, you're supposed to put this on your eyebrows for about 2 hours, and then you take it off. So that's what I'm gonna do. First, I'm gonna remove my eyebrows that I drew on today with some makeup remover. Then I'm gonna put this guy on my eyebrows for 2 hours, let it soak in, let it tint my brows, and then I'm gonna take it off. So I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do that. So here are my brows right now. They're not, this is how I fill them in, and this is not the shape I want them to be. So we're gonna make some eyebrow magic happen today. So not sponsored, but I really love these Pond's makeup removers. Just gonna take these guys off. Goodbye, eyebrows. Now you guys will really see my eyebrows. By the way, the color I'm using in this Etude House is called Gray Brown, I believe. My foundation is coming off as well, so my eyebrows look really weird. And I have, as you can see, acne on my eyebrow. So, yes, it's all coming to fruition now. This is without any eyebrow penciled in. So, one thing I would suggest when you are doing this Etude House Tint My Brows Gel or any eyebrow tinting at all is I would suggest getting some form of tweezers, maybe eyebrow wax, something like that that can take off your hairs, because any hair that you have in that area will be tinted. I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna remove extra hairs that I don't want tinted. This region is the only area I have eyebrow hairs in. Like the outside, like wing, there are no eyebrows at all, which kind of sucks. But it's just the life I live. My whole life, all I wanted was like full eyebrows. So anytime there's some type of experimental thing with eyebrow hair, I jump on it because I really, really want eyebrows. By the way, my hair looks awful because I was at clinical today and I just don't care about my hair on clinical days because it doesn't matter. It's irrelevant. Okay? Holy cow. So look at how dark this is. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is color gray brown. Number 3. Super, super dark. Was not expecting that. So I'm still gonna have my makeup wipe nearby just in case. This is my first time ever doing this, by the way, so okay. So I'm gonna just put it on there. It's coating eyebrow hairs I didn't even know existed on my face. I'm gonna fix this a whole lot after. Oh my god. This is like when you first do your eyebrows, or you put on the first line and it's so off, and it's like, what am I doing to my eyebrow? No idea. So I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna fix that big time because that looks really god awful. Oh god. I'm gonna fix this wing off camera because I think just trying to get this on camera while I go is making it really difficult for me to get my wings. So give me just a sec, guys. So I'm just cleaning all of that up right now that I put on. You know, you really don't realize how uneven your eyebrows are that you do every day until you try tinting them. So I realize these do look uneven, but I'm just gonna let this dry, and then in 2 hours I will remove this, and hopefully we'll go from there. It looks nicer on my face. Okay, I'll see you guys in 2 hours. Wish me luck. Hey guys, so quick update. I fixed my eyebrows a little bit because I really didn't like the shape that I had. Here is what I have going on. I know this is only like temporary, which kind of sucks because if I do end up liking this shape a lot, I want to redo it in the future, maybe actually dye my eyebrows. We'll see in next episode of Can Heather Get Eyebrows? Real eyebrows? Or will she have to draw them on the rest of her life? I guess we'll find out. So it's kind of weird that I'm like talking while my eyebrows are zoomed in. But basically, oh, wrong way. But yeah, basically, these are my eyebrows right now. And my eyebrow shape. So hopefully it comes out the way I want it to. And I have nice eyebrows after this. If not, I'll probably just cry. It's been about 2 hours now. On the box, it says, after drying, completely remove slowly, starting from the head of the eyebrow. So I'm just gonna take this off and we'll see what goes from there. That's really cool. Okay. Oh yeah. Do the same theory on my second eyebrow. Okay, this one's not removing as smoothly. Take note. That's actually not bad. Usually when I draw on my eyebrows, I'd say this looks pretty close to what I usually do, but I'm gonna take a makeup remover to my eyebrows because personally I think it's a little bit much. It says to not wash your eyebrows for 24 hours. Obviously, take note, I'm going against the instructions, so bear with me. So, final thoughts on the Etude House tint. I actually like it. It's not bad at all, and I think my eyebrows look pretty natural. I would actually not fill in my eyebrows. I would give these eyebrows probably like a 8.5 out of 10 because this is super close to my natural color. Honestly, it is my natural color, so that is a huge plus. Obviously, this only lasts what, 1 to 2 weeks, so unfortunately it doesn't last that long, but on the other hand, it is pretty nice, especially for the summertime or if you're going on vacation or some type of trip. I'd suggest it, and honestly I'm gonna use it for the summer because when I go swimming and my eyebrows come off, I just don't look that great. I feel like eyebrows really frame your face, and when you don't really have eyebrows to begin with, it kind of sucks. So those of you who don't have eyebrows like me, highly recommend. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this where I try stuff, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.